Hi, my name is Robert Ampabe, Managing Partner of Safari Travel, and I'm here with George, Managing Partner also of Safari Travel.
Yeah, hi, my name is George Ifa, and I'm here with Rob. I wish you guys well.
We've been in Newark, New Jersey, downtown Newark, New Jersey, 877 Broad Street for almost 15 years. We do airline ticketing to anywhere in this world, Africa, Europe, Asia, and also we render visa services for Ghanaians traveling to Ghana who don't have the time to go to the embassies. If you bring your passport here, we process the visa for you. Also, if you want to renew your Ghanaian passports, you don't have to go through the hustle and bustle. Bring it down here and we will give you a good service. Also, we do money transfer to Ghana. On this occasion, Safari Travel wish the Ghana Adangbe people in New Jersey in particular a happy Homowo festival, and we are in support of whatever they do, and anytime they call on us, we will be there to support them.